everyone, my name is Newell. Today I'm gonna make something special. How to make a pan flute. First of all, you need to prepare the materials needed. You only need 3 items. You need 8 big straws, 2 bays to hold the straws, and 8 tubes, which I will insert them. Next, arrange the straws from longest to the shortest. As you can see, you have to arrange from the longest to the shortest. Arrange longest to the shortest. Then insert them inside the base, as you can see, and plug them inside. So you have to insert them from the tallest to the shortest. Okay, you can see I have inserted them. After you have inserted them, you make sure you paste this on top the straws, like this. As you can see, the holes here, you put the straws through them. Okay, make sure they're inside. Okay, and after you have inserted them, now you have a pan flute ready. You can try blowing them and they will make a pitch from the lowest to the highest pitch. This pan flute can teach you about sound waves and musical instruments. Hope you like it and you should try it at home. Thank you for your attention.